MIHIRAA, when treating wounds, it's crucial to select the right dressing. For superficial wounds with minimal exudate, a hydrocolloid dressing is ideal. It creates a moist environment to promote healing and protects the wound from bacteria. However, for wounds with moderate to heavy exudate, you'll need a more absorbent dressing like a foam dressing. It helps to manage moisture and prevent maceration. And for infected wounds, alginate dressings are excellent. They absorb exudate and create a gel-like substance that helps to control bacteria. Remember, always assess the wound thoroughly before selecting a dressing. And don't forget to change the dressing regularly to prevent infection.
Understood, Dr. Paul. So, to summarize, hydrocolloids for dry wounds, foam for moderate to heavy exudate, and alginate for infected wounds. I'll keep these guidelines in mind when caring for patients.
Thank you for your patience, Mihira. Your father is currently stable, and we're keeping a close eye on him. We believe his fainting episodes or syncope might be related to a temporary drop in his blood pressure, which is something we see quite often. The most important thing for us right now is to continue monitoring him closely to track his progress and ensure he remains stable. When you take him home, there are a few things you can do to help prevent another episode and keep him safe. It's important to remind him to move slowly when he's changing positions, especially when going from sitting or lying down to standing. A sudden change can cause his blood pressure to drop. To prevent any injuries from a fall, please make sure your home is free of any potential hazards. This means avoiding slippery surfaces and clearing away any tripping hazards like loose rugs or electrical cords. If he feels any dizziness or lightheadedness, encourage him to sit or lie down immediately. Before we finalize his discharge, I'd like to understand what kind of support system you have at home. Do you have family, friends, or neighbors who can help you out as he recovers? This information helps us ensure he has everything he needs to continue his recovery safely at home.